The seat taken?
It's all yours. Spent so much time in this theater, I don't really have anywhere else to go.
Not interested in Hayden's little assignment.
I don't know what's gotten into him this year. I used to think of him as a mentor type, but now he's just tearing me down.
I think he's just pushing you.
He seemed like that. Yesterday felt like much more than just pushing. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind a challenge. I can handle critique. It's just yesterday when he was fighting me, that was more than just stage. You could tell.
Isn't that the point? To make it real? Isn't that why we're all here? To perform at such a high level that we don't know what's real and what's not.